Every day, industrial systems face increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. Factories, utilities, energy, and critical infrastructure need defenders who understand how these networks really work. Introducing the QuantLayer Free Cyber Range, a cloud platform where students, engineers, and security teams safely learn industrial cyber defense. Build realistic environments. Deploy virtual PLCs. Generate live traffic across Modbus, OPC UA, MQTT, and BACnet. Practice real attack scenarios, ransomware, PLC compromise, protocol manipulation, lateral movement, without touching a production system. Investigate, respond, improve. From manufacturing to oil and gas, from water to smart buildings. Sharpen the skills critical infrastructure depends on. Start learning today. Register free. QuantLayers.com